I wonder if the police are gonna respond to that, though.
I am going to pull ahead and see if there's any injuries.
Run, boy, run. Chantel, it's been a while, man. What in the world? I don't know who needs to hear this, but God will not put no more on you which you are not able to bear. Everything that you have been through, all the trials and all the tribulations and all the obstacles and all the stumbling block you have been through, and you leave all of those things in 2024. In this new year, in 2025, God is going to give you the desire of your heart, and He's gonna make everything possible for you. Everything that you have lost, He's gonna fix it for you. Just believe. Oh, this is crazy. Come on, man. Look at that. So you want, buddy? Huh? Oh shit. This is crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a lot of ice out here. Hey, watch out those little knuckleheads. The little knuckleheads, they sliding down. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Boy. Boy, it's freezing out there.